Canva just released Canva sheets where you can input formulas by just typing in a message, right? So we're going to see how. So you come to Canva and just look at one of its template. It's a table and it has a lot of data here just to show you how it works. For example, I suppose want the total of all the product cost here, right? So it's a pretty simple formula, but we'll not put the formula, we'll ask. So the thing that you need to do is that you go to these actions right at the top, and at the very end, you have magic formulas. And you have to describe what you want there. So I'm going to put, okay, please give me the total of product costs, total of all product costs, right? And for free, you have 50 credits. I do not know how many it is, but let's try if it works. Okay, so it has taken the message and it has given me the formula, the answer and the formula itself. So you need to insert it into that cell. So I'll do that. And you can see here, the formula has been inputted. It is very proper, and as well the answer. So I'll make it bold, and that's it. That's how easy it is going to become to input formulas. Pretty soon, almost all spreadsheets are going to have something like this. So that's AI for you guys. If you like this, do join the community and have a good day.